Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the auto-trading Capitalise.ai app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Auto-trading Capitalise.ai is an automated trading platform designed to help users create trading strategies using plain English instead of coding. It allows traders to automate entries, exits, and alerts simply by typing instructions like, buy Bitcoin if price drops 5% in 24 hours. Capitalise.ai executes these rules automatically across supported brokers and exchanges. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it integrates with platforms such as Interactive Brokers, Binance, and others depending on region and account type. The app's main feature is its no-code strategy builder. You type your trading conditions, and the system translates them into executable automation. It also includes backtesting tools, real-time alerts, performance tracking, and automated trade management. Users can monitor trades hands-free and adjust rules anytime, while the platform handles execution consistently in the background. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its beginner-friendly automation, clean interface, and the ability to convert natural language into actionable strategies. It's useful for traders who want consistency, emotion-free execution, and continuous monitoring without manually watching the markets. The backtesting and real-time insights help refine strategies before risking capital. However, there are some drawbacks. The platform depends heavily on the supported brokers, so availability may vary by region. Advanced traders may find limitations in complex strategy building compared to full coding platforms. Some users also mention delays depending on broker integration or market conditions. In addition, the effectiveness of automated trading still depends entirely on the user's strategy quality. Automation doesn't guarantee profit. In summary, the auto-trading Capitalise.ai app may be worth using if you want simple, no-code automation, hands-free execution, and strategy monitoring across supported brokers. However, if you require highly advanced algorithmic tools or full custom coding flexibility, it might not be the ideal solution for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.